Guys, I'm Joel Greto. Work here in HDB Resorts. Okay, now I want to discuss to you how to wiring of this lights, single switch and outlet. Okay, this is the wiring diagram for this old school. This because now upgrade this electrical. Okay. Okay. Now I want to show to you. This is the line. This is the neutral. Okay? This is for the theory only. Okay? This is the neutral. Neutral go to light. And the lights, the other one is will go to switch. Okay? This is the old school. Okay? This is the other one. The line 2 is go to direct to switch. Okay? And then the second one, this is the two lights and as two gang switch. Okay, this is the neutral and this is the one light and then the second light. The first one is the neutral must be direct in the lights, not in the supply. Must be neutral only, because if you go to ceiling, if this for supply have here, maybe you touch this supply, this is the problem. Must be the supply every time only direct in a switch, not in lights. This is the schooling, all is schooling like that. Okay, and then this is a procedure. Okay, and also the other one is go to direct for the switch. This is example this. Okay, this is the switch, and then one line will go to jumper only to giving to supply to another switch. Okay, now I want to proceed to electrical wiring now to this finish there. Okay. Now, this is the line. This is our power supply. This is the breaker. This is the main breaker. This is the branches. Now we'll connect to power supply to another breaker. Two branches also. For the example, this is the switch. Okay. This is the power. This is the neutral. This is the power. This is the neutral. Go to one line, go to lights. Okay, the other one hand go to switch. This is the call of this return. This is the power. Go to the other one will go to switch. This is the power, and then the neutral go to lights. Okay, and then the other one, all of this for this what is called of outlet. All outlet. This is only direct. Line 1, line 2, or called the other one is neutral and line. Okay. Okay. Now we will check to our connection. Okay. This is the breaker, branches breaker from to power supply. Okay. This is the line go to one hand of switch. The other one will call this return. Go to one hand of the lights. Okay. And the other one hand go to line neutral for our branches of breaker. Okay. The other one, this for the outlet, will make the direct line 1, line 2 go to our outlet. Now we'll make check the power. Okay, must be off if you wiring in your house or the building or anything for electrical, must be you off your breaker. Okay, like that off. Okay, now we will check the power of our supply. Now you see, now this 220. Now I will make on, and then we'll go to bridge to here to breaker. Okay, you see, now we'll make this bridge. Now have a power 220. Okay, now we will check our outlet, because you make to direct here. How to make this okay, it's okay. You see, now have a power. You see. Okay. Now we check how to connect this. have here, you see, have one line and then neutral, and then the center is grounding. But this the grounding is some building not using this grounding, but some building, if you have a QC, must be you put this the grounding, but some no need, only line 1, line 2. Okay, now we'll check to our lights. Okay, I on, and then we'll check this now. Now it's okay. You see, this is the single switch only. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Now finish.